Hi everyone, welcome to another video. So in my previous video I have mentioned like we have a way we will get free certifications from Azure in this like 50 days AI learning challenge. So I have also shown you like how you can like get enroll into that challenge and continue like complete the challenge. So I have enrolled in a challenge couple of days ago. Then today I have completed the challenge. Now I will take you through the process which you have to follow to complete this certification process request, right? So I have taken for DP 700 certification challenge. So this is like where I have reached. It is in my learn challenges. I'll be able to reach this window. Okay, so learn you would be getting from your profile. Okay, so if you are if you haven't completed this challenge, if you are progressing, instead of this C challenge you will be seeing a progress bar showing like 50%, 70%, and if you scroll down you will see like what percentage you have completed each module. In some cases, however, you might thought like you have completed everything. Some of those modules might still have like 2%, 3% pending. So you can click in go into that module and see what is pending. So you can see this tick mark here, right? This says like I have completed this module. In case if you have skipped or if you have kept it halfway, like this tick mark won't be there. So that way you can complete. So once in my case you can see all are 100%. I have completed around 15 around 16 hours of course. So now what I have to do, I need to apply for, or like I have completed my challenge. I let Microsoft know that I have completed this challenge. So what I have to do, I have to provide my information into this website. So let me take this, let me copy this information. Sorry. Yeah. So I'm opening that in another tab. You can also see, if you see the challenge, right, you can see that it is saying congratulations, you have completed the challenges. I have completed all the 40 modules. There are still 44 days left for this challenge when I am doing this video on 14th April. Okay, so the challenge is active until May 29. If you haven't enrolled, please watch my first video, so that you will be finding under the same playlist. I'll be putting this link on the top, which you would be watch the first video, like enroll in and complete it. Once after completing the course, you can watch this video for rest of the process. So this is the leaderboard, like around 11,000 participants are here, but it does not mean that all the people have completed, right? There are like people enrolled but they haven't completed. So that means like in my case right now, I believe like I have high chances because they said like there are 50,000, right? So we can try, finger crossed. So I'll be reaching into this website. So what it is saying, like unlock the potential these things. So yeah, I don't need to go through. So we already have taken this. Now I need to provide my details, like confirm your Microsoft Learn username to ensure the proper validation your challenge participation. Skipper drawing, avoid changing the Microsoft Learn username after submitting a form. So we need to give our username here. So let me enter that here. Yeah, if you haven't, like if you are not sure how you can get the like username, if you go to this icon, if you go to settings, you will be able to find the username and URL. Okay, so now I have entered and I just wanted to give like where should I get, I'm giving my Gmail ID, and Microsoft will select the Microsoft AI Skills Fest Challenge in which you are participating, because we know like which like we have given this that DP 700 certification exam, right? I have selected that. I'm clicking next, and next window, like so it is Microsoft is telling us to confirm, and per the Microsoft challenge I confirm that I am eligible to participate. Yeah, so I'm submitting this. So we would be like, you can read what they are saying very high level. I'll summarize and say that. Yeah, so what Microsoft is saying, like, the submission is completed. They have this like a winner selection on from starting April 17th until May 28th. Hopefully, we probably have to wait until April 17th to see, will I be getting this free voucher or not. I'll keep you posted this group. Hope this video help you to apply how we can, like, once you have completed this video is going to help you how you can apply for this skill challenge once it is completed. Yeah, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.